A couple different things, Donald. I mean, obviously just driving around. I mean, listen, Jamil Damji, who's done, 7,000 deals at this point. His first deal was walking his dog for dollars, right? He saw a for sale by owner sign and he called it, and that was his first deal, okay? I have a student out of Washington, made $100,000 skateboarding for dollars. I have another student made $40,000 for bicycling for dollars in Boise, Idaho, and Colorado Springs, right? So, I mean, literally, find an ugly house, go to batchskiptracing.com, put in that address, get the phone number, use the TTP script so that you feel confident, practice it, call them up, and see if they would consider an offer. Awesome.
If you like that video, hit that subscribe button. We come out with new videos every single day. And if you want your questions answered, like you and I, one-on-one, make sure that you join us for the live show every single Wednesday. I will see you there.